Hey everyone, Chef Doreen Fong here from Savor Acts. All right, so one of my favorite things when I'm making musubi is actually not just using plain rice, but with some fried rice. And I have some extra fried rice that I had made, my meat lovers fried rice, and I'm gonna make my musubi with that. So this is gonna be so delicious and something different. All right, let's go cook. All right, so I've got the pan going. Whether you like to add a little bit of fat to that, you already know this has plenty of fat in it, so you don't have to. Get it in the pan. I have my pan on medium high, not too hot, okay? And typically, I know a lot of times when you're making your spam musubi, a lot of you guys are adding the sugar and the shoyu and doing all those things. But this is the beauty of the teriyaki sauce, okay? You don't have to do any of that. And this is what saves so much time. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't always have a lot of time, so this makes it so much easier for me. All right, let's get that fried up. All right, now that's nice and crispy, I've already flipped it over. I'm gonna add a little bit of my spicy teriyaki sauce. And if you don't like spicy, again, you can use the regular teriyaki sauce. Are you a sauce person? All right, let's turn this down. Now, when you add the sauce, just turn it down just a bit. You don't want it to burn and get all funky. I'm just making sure that there's sauce just on every little bit of this, okay? This is so yummy. And again, I'm so thankful and happy that Aloha Shoyu came out with the spicy teriyaki sauce and the plain teriyaki sauce, because this makes my life so much easier. All right. I'm gonna make sure that the sauce gets cooked into the spam so it's not all drippy and wet when we put it into the musubi. All right, guys, I just finished frying up my spam with my spicy teriyaki sauce, and I'm ready to assemble. So I've got my Aloha Shoyu spam musubi maker right here, and you can see that I already have it lined with some plastic. And the reason being is that this way, when you're done, one, it keeps all the rice inside, and it's perfect for just closing it up and wrapping it up, and then you're ready to go and you don't have to worry about it, okay? Super easy. Now I've already cut my nori, all right? I know everyone says, which side down? Shiny side down. All right. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. So again, I had my fried rice with all the delicious meat. And you're gonna just go in and make sure you fill in all the spots. And get it to the edge, okay? And you're gonna fill it up probably about 1/3 of the way, because I cut my spam a little bit thinner so it's not super thick. Of course, so just gauge it when you're making it, okay? I'm also pushing the rice down so it stays whole. All right. Get those little bits of meat in there. This smells so amazing. So just to give you guys a little insight on what it looks like, I'm gonna lift it up so you can see, okay? All right. And again, make it as thick as you want. I don't like to mush the rice, I just like to gently push it down. Then I'm gonna get one of my pieces of spam, nice and crispy. I just push it right down. Ooh, it's so good and it's hot. That's why I have gloves on too. That way I can do all the assembly with my hands, okay? Now I'm gonna finish it off with some more rice on top. This is so easy, and what a great snack. So whether it's for yourself, if you have kids, you have friends, maybe you guys are going on a trip somewhere, you can have all of this pre-made and ready. Oh, I put a nice pepper in there. Have all of this pre-done, and it just makes your life so much easier. And this is a great quick snack. I don't know about some of you guys, if you've been to Japan, 7-Eleven has a million different musubis. And I was using my hand too, but you can also use this, okay? It's part of the musubi maker. That way you're just going to make sure all the rice is pressed down nicely. I see a little spot. I know, perfectionist. All right, let's get that in there. Perfect. And then I'm going to put my rice down. All right, so it's nice and flat. That looks amazing. This little musubi maker is a lifesaver. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Actually, I'm gonna push it right through. And look at how easy that is. And you can see how perfect that looks. I can't wait to snack on this. All right, you're gonna close it up. This is a big mouthful right here. So this is for the big boys. This is so delicious. And now you have your Spam fried rice musubi.